Hey YouTube, today I'm doing a bike check on my 2011 Hoffman ontic IL bike, and rode it a few times. It's really light. I like it. So that's all. Let's get started on the bike check. I have Shadow Conspiracy Little Dirty Grips. Those are nice. Came with bar ends. And these are Shadow Conspiracy. I have a stock Blitz stem. Stock headset in blue integrated. Stock forks. Alienation graffiti tires. Alienation plain black rim in blue. Stock hub. Blitz cranks. Stock pedals. Stock Hoffman Dinky 25 tooth chain wheel. KMC chain. Rear set hub 9 tooth driver. Blitz thing. Rear alienation plain black rim in blue. And then these are the only non-stock parts I have. Kink seat and the stolen Thermalite C+. That's all. We'll be making videos later on riding it and stuff like that. And that's all for today.